Hey guys, this is Juan here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how you can add your own e-commerce store and accept payments on Wix. And if you don't know Wix already, then Wix is a website builder and it's the largest one on the planet right now. And it's mainly because it's so easy to use. It's a drag and drop editor. It has some advanced features that it accumulated over the years, and it's reasonable pricing, okay? So you don't need to know anything about coding or anything like that. You don't need to be tech savvy. Anyone can start a website on Wix and really in a few minutes have a running website, okay? So if you are considering Wix and you want to start an e-commerce store, then keep on watching. So let me go over to my computer and I'll show you exactly what the process is step by step, okay? So the first thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna have to sign up to a free Wix account. So go to wix.com, click on get started and sign up, okay? You can sign up with Facebook, with Google, or with your email. I've already done it, so I won't do it again. And then Wix is gonna present you with some questions that you can answer. And then you're gonna be presented with a screen that tells you to create a new website. Okay, so this is my dashboard of my websites. Okay, so I have my main website, okay, Online Entrepreneur Now, and I have a dummy website. And in this video, I'm gonna create a new one to show you how to do it. So let's click on create a new website, a new site. And what I recommend you do to save yourself some time and effort is you go to online store. Okay, what kind of website do you want to create? An online store. Choose the Wix editor, okay, because it's more customizable than the ADI. The ADI is like artificial intelligence, okay, so it makes the website for you, but you can customize it as much as the editor. And it's really easy to do it with the editor anyway, so choose the editor. Then you're gonna have to choose a template, okay? So choose a template, and I'm just gonna show you how it looks, okay? So this is a template they have created for a t-shirt market, okay? So they've created the shop for you, the about, just different stuff. I recommend you go through all the templates and choose the best one that you think is gonna be best fitted for you. But in this example, I want to show you how you can add the store and everything. So I'm not gonna choose a store template because I want to show you from the start how you can do it if you want to create a blank website and you want to do everything yourself. Although I recommend you choose a template because it will save you a lot of time. So in this example, let's choose a different kind. Let's say business. Choose a template. Let's say I will choose this one. And it's gonna open up the editor. So before we were previewing the template, now we can edit this template. Okay, so everything in here is movable, customizable. We can add everything that we want. Okay, we got the menus over here. We got the pages. All right. So let's see. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is create your store if you don't already have it in your template. So to create a store, you have to click on the add button, go to store and click add store, and it's gonna add everything to your website. Okay, so wait a few seconds. There we go. Okay, so now it created a store for you with some dummy products. Okay, and the first thing that you're gonna want to do before you start editing everything and designing your website is add your product. Okay, so you're gonna click on the store itself, okay, in here, or you can click my store, get started, and we're gonna click on go to dashboard. Click on store products. Alright, so here are all your products, and in this case they are physical products. You can add two different kinds of products to your store, okay? You can add a physical and a digital file. I'm gonna show you both and how you can do it. So in the first case, let's add a physical product. Give it a title, so let's say it's a mug. Add images, okay? In this, you should have your own images of your products, but in this case, I'm gonna add just an image from Wix for the example. Let's click on this, and just to show you, you know what, let's add just one image for this one. You can add a video as well, which is recommended. You can name your product in here. Ribbons, you can add ribbons. So for example, if you've got a sale on this product, or a new arrival, or anything that you want to point out when people are looking at your store, you can do it here. Okay, so let's say it's on sale. Give it a price. So in my case, the currency is shekels. You can change the currency. I will show you how to change the currency in a moment. Okay, so let's say 15. You can add an on sale widget. So if you say like it's got a 10% off sale, then Wix automatically calculates it for you. Add a description to your product. You can add policies like a return policy, care instructions. Okay, so if you add a section, you can write the title and the description of the policy. You can add custom text fields. So if you want customers to be able to customize their product and add like engravings, so you can add options to your product like sizes, colors, what materials. Okay, so let's add options. Let's choose size, or you can write whatever you want in here. So for this example, I'm going to choose size, and I give you a few default ones. You can do it however you want. If you need numbers, then write the numbers. Do whatever you need to. In this case, I'm going to use their template, large. Okay, click add. Yeah, fine. So you can manage each one. Okay, if you click on here, you can change the price. Okay, so for example, if medium costs more than small, for example, I can add like another 6 whatever currency you're using to the price. You can add SKUs. Okay, so SKUs are helpful to track your inventory. So this is important. In stock, okay, or out of stock, you can change that. You can add the weight, and you can track your inventory. Okay, so if you click track inventory, then you can choose the exact number of inventory that you've got at the moment, and each time it sells, it's deducting from the total inventory that you've got. Okay. What's next? Let's see. You can create coupons. All right, so create a coupon. Let's create a coupon together, and you can have different coupons. Okay, a flat discount, a percentage discount, free shipping, sale price. Okay, so let me show you how it looks. For example, if I want to do a flat one, so I can give create a coupon code and give it a name. All right, so let's say mug 21 or something. Usually the name is gonna be the same. Discount by 15, apply to. Okay, so you can choose which products it applies to. Okay, so you can choose a specific service. It's because we got the services on this template, but specific product, a specific collection, which is let's say you've got mugs, and you're selling also spoons, so there are different collections. You can choose to have a minimum order subtotal. Okay, so if, for example, a customer reaches, I don't know, 50 shekels or dollars, then he gets a discount. Okay, so let's choose that just for example, 50, and you can have a date, okay, when it starts, when it ends, and you can limit the uses of this coupon, or you can leave it unlimited, whatever you want to do. Okay, this percentage discount, kind of similar. Free shipping. Okay, it applies to either all orders or to minimum order subtotal. Okay, so if someone reaches a subtotal of the order, he can get a free shipping. Sale price, so it's like the widget we've seen before. Buy X and get Y, so buy 2 get 1, just look around and see what fits your needs. So let's cancel it for the moment. You can create a promo video, and it will actually start with creating an automatic promo video for you. You can customize it yourself later on. I'm going to show you how to do it. So let it load. And you can share this video on social media. You can have it in your product page. Okay, so let me show you how it looks just as an example. Alright, just a small one. You can have different options. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. So if you want to customize the video, you can click on customize video, and you can add different images. So just for the example, let's add different images to show you how we customize it. Let's add different mugs. Alright, so let's say the product name is mug, and the price is, okay, business name, let's call ourselves, I don't know, Mug World or something. Now available online, that's fine. We can change the design. I don't know, let's see, let's choose glass. We can choose the music that we want in our video. Let's say this one. Business information, so the business name is Mug World. The URL, so let's say mugworld.com. I don't know if it will show it or not. You can add your business logo. Let's just choose a mug or something. Mug logo. Let's see if we got a mug logo or something. Oh, cool. Awesome. Let's add that. A tagline. I don't think that adds it to the video, but just in case. I don't know. The world of mugs. Just for this example, additional info, that's okay. Apply and preview. Let's see what we've got. Let it load. Okay, let's exit that. I don't know why it's not loading up. It happens, can happen. Alright, let's move on to the next thing. You can send an email campaign if you're using Wix's email marketing platform. You can share the product on social media. You can edit the SEO of the product. Okay, so how it looks on search engines, the title, the description, and the URL. Okay, so this is important if you want people to be able to find it on search engines. Tax groups. If your products need different tax rates, go to your store, tax tab, and click get automated tax. I suggest you consult an accountant for that. So what else in here? I think we are okay with that. We can add it to a collection. Okay, so let's say we want to add it to mugs. So click here, click on that, click save. All right, so we got a first product. And if we want to create a digital product, let me show you how you can do that. It's very similar. Okay, you click on digital file instead of physical, upload your file. Okay, so it can be images, ebooks, music. All right, add your information, name, ribbons, price, all the same, description, images, video, additional information like file format, file license, and in stock, out of stock, although it's a digital file. So let's see what else. Yeah, it's kind of the same. And the way that customers will be able to get that file is by, after purchasing, they will be transferred to a thank you page. And they will have the link to download that file, and also they will get an automated email, all right, with the download link. So now that I've shown you how to create your products, and by the way, you can manage your collections in here. So let's discard these changes. Click on collections. You've got all the collections in here. You can add an image for yourself if you want to remind yourself. You can add new collections in here. All right. So let me show you how you can optimize the settings of everything. So we're gonna click on settings, and we're gonna first set up our payment providers. Okay, so this is really important if you want to receive money. You have three options. You can add credit cards and debit cards. Okay, you can receive money through PayPal, and this is automatic. Okay, so if you don't have a PayPal account yet, you can receive money, but you have to set up your account in 30 days. Or if you got a physical location and you want people to come and buy in cash or checks, then you can select that option as well. So for this example, let's click on connect me. And if you want to change the location, okay, so let's say you're doing it for a customer, you're setting up a website for a customer, you can click in here and change the country that you're at. Okay, so you get different payment providers. So let's say I wanna choose United States, click choose. All right, and then we got other payment options. Okay, let's click connect me. Awesome. You can manage the account. Let's say I wanna mix payment dashboard, change provider. Okay, let's say I want to change provider. You can change it to Square, to Stripe, to Braintree. All right, depending on your location. You got the PayPal in here, and if you want to add a different payment option, you click in here and just add it to the options. Okay, and don't forget to do that. Next, we're gonna go to store shipping. Okay, so if you're shipping products, then you can create shipping policies and shipping rules for different locations. So in this example, let's say we got the domestic one, so mine is Israel. You can create a free shipping if you want to. You can change it to flat rate. Okay, so no matter how many products the customer orders or what product, a flat rate applies to everything. Okay, so for example, let's call the delivery option standard shipping, estimated delivery 3 to 5 days, and the rate. Okay, so whatever you want. Offer delivery options for free when customers buy over a certain amount. Okay, so you can offer free shipping if they buy over $20, for example. You can add other delivery options. So let's say you have express shipping. You can give them the option to order through express. okay, and fill out the information. You can add an handling fee if you want to. You can allow pickup if you got a physical store and you want people to pick up at the store. So if you click on that, you're gonna have to add the information, your address, when will the order be ready for the customer, the pickup instructions. All right, so let's cancel this. You can add international shipping if you want to. Okay, so I haven't shown you the different kind of shipping rules you can do. So you got a rate by weight. Okay, so depending on the weight of the products, a rate by price. Okay, price of the customer. So it's like I showed you before. So if they reached a certain price of the order, so they can get a rate by that. So let me show you what I mean. Let's say standard shipping. Delivery time is 3 to 5 days. So let's say they have, or their price is I don't know, $10. Then the rate will be $5. Okay. And if they have reached an order of $15, then and up, okay, so you can add more ranges, then the rate will be lower. Okay, so let's say it's $3. Okay, and the rest is the same. Let me show you the different rules there are. USPS, so get real-time calculated rates from USPS. That's cool. So I haven't tried the US before, and they've got different options in here, which is really cool. Selected list. Okay, just poke around and see what's in here. What else? Store pickup only. So if you're not shipping and you got a store pickup only, fill out your address in here. All right. The store tax. Okay, you can add tax to your store. So you can add a country. All right. And different tax options. You can select states. Okay, so different options. I recommend you consult an accountant for that, and you can choose if you want the tax to be included in your product prices. Okay, so let me show you what it means. Okay, the tax may be included in the total order price. So let's say the item costs $100 and the tax costs $10. It will be included in the order price, or it might not be. Okay, so if the items are 90, 91 and the tax is separated, again I recommend you consult an accountant for that. What else? Let's go to store settings. So you can automatically create invoices for every new order that is paid online. Okay, you can create terms and conditions, privacy, different policies that you want to have automatically, so they will be listed under your products. You can add information that you require from your customers, okay, when they check out. You can add a subscription box, so if you want to invite your customers to subscribe to your email list, then you can add a subscription checkbox. You can add a policy checkbox if you require them to accept a policy of yours. And right now I can't because I haven't added any policy. So let's say I add a policy. Now I should be able to edit. Okay. And this is the automated emails that they get. Okay, so the first one is an order confirmation, and you can select which ones you want to send and which ones you don't, except the digital product download email. Okay, so if they have purchased a digital product, then it will send them the download link, and you don't have a say in that, obviously. So order confirmation that you received your customer's order will be sent automatically. This is the digital product download. So if you want to preview every email, you can click in here. all right, and see how it looks. The shipping confirmation, so confirmation that the order is on its way to your customer. Tracking information will appear when added by you or a third party, okay? And ready for pickup, so notification to your customer when their order is ready for pickup, okay? What else? When you go to your website, okay, so to your setting on your website, this is important. In your general settings, okay, in the overview, go to general info and go down, and you can change the regional settings in here, okay, so how everything looks on your website. So you remember it was on shekels, it changed because I changed the payment providers, but just make sure everything here is as you need it. So let's change it to United States. All right, the language is English by default. The currency is US dollars. Time zone, okay, you can change it to whatever you need. Whatever, click save, and now everything is set to the US, okay, or in English or whatever you need. What else? Quotes, you can create quotes for your customers if you want to, okay. If you want to send a custom order for someone, then you can create a quote in here, and if they accept it, then they will pay you through that quote instead of the store. And yeah, now we can start designing everything, okay. So you've got different pages that you have, okay, a lot of pages, I know, don't get stressed about it. So you got the side pages, okay. Some of the pages here are irrelevant, so let me delete them before I continue. So the services, we are not offering services in this example. Feed, whatever, delete it. Motivational reading, okay. Okay, that's fine. So you've got the main shop, okay, so this is the main shop gallery, okay, and you can create a members page, which it automatically creates for you. So it depends on the template. It will create different pages, member pages for you, okay. But let's start with the main store. So if we click on the store itself and we click on settings, we can start designing everything in here, okay. So you can design the all products or the mugs, depending on what you want to show in this feed, okay. So this is the main store, so we're gonna do all products. You can choose the layout, okay, so how products are presented. Let's see. The size of the image, just leave it crop, I think. The image ratio, how it listed, how the text is listed, how many columns, rows it shows, okay, the spacing, the text padding. If you go to settings, you got, this is really cool, this is very interactive, the what happens on over, okay. So let me show you what it means. Right now it's swap image. So if I go to preview how it looks on the live site, and someone, let's say, hovers over this watch, then it will change to the second image, okay. So it's more interactive. All right, so this one doesn't have another image, so it doesn't do anything. And you've got three options in that design. You can do a zoom, okay, you can do a border that appears. You can choose what information to show, so product name, product price, name and price divider. You can add a divider between the name and the price. Design, okay, you can design the colors, the fonts of everything. The quick view, okay, so when someone hovers over your product, they will have like a quick view button, Okay, the name and price. Okay, you can design a divider. So if you click on preview and you hover, you got this quick view option, which will open like a mini product page, okay, instead of the big product page. So you can design how this button looks. What else? Filters. You can add filters if you want to, and you can choose which filters you add. Okay, so by price, by product options, collections, sorting, so you can help them sort by newest, price, low to high. Okay, the quick view. Okay, so you can quick views, minimize view. You can change how the quick view looks. Okay, so how I showed you before, the mini store page, mini product page. Okay, you can change the button in there. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. Right now, if I click on a product in the quick view, this is the button, and we can change it to a round button or change the colors or do whatever we want. Okay, so just to show you, change it to round, preview again, quick view, and now it's rounded. All right. What else? Yeah, this is it for this one. Okay. So you can go around and really change everything and design everything that you want. A members page is great because members can save their information in my wallet, for example. They can add their card, and next time they won't have to add their card information. So this is great because it helps them check out much faster. My addresses, so they can add addresses in here. My order, so these are members pages. Okay, so your customers can have an account on your website and see everything. We got the card icon in here, which you can customize as well. Okay, you can change the color, and I recommend you keep everything in your brand color. Okay, and your fonts as well. You can customize how the mini cart. Okay, so how the mini cart shows. Okay, so when people add something to the cart, so let's go to the shop for the example. Click on shop, click on this, and let's say I want to add it to the cart. Okay, so choose the color, add to cart, and this is the mini cart in here. Okay, so you can customize the mini cart, and you've got the full cart as well. So if I go to view cart, it will be the full cart. Okay, and this is the checkout process. They can check out with PayPal or with the credit card or whatever you have set in the accept payments. They can choose the amount, the quantity. It shows the shipping. You can show the tax as well, so they can enter promo codes, add notes if they want to, and you can customize everything in here as well. Okay, so as I told you before, you can let it show the tax too. There we go. Yeah, design everything in here. If you want to add shop elements, okay, so let's say I want to create a new page just for my mugs. Okay, so I will go to menus and pages, and let's create a new page. Okay, so site pages. Let's go to site pages, add a page. All right, this is the blank page. Let's call it mugs. Click done. And by the way, you can set the SEO settings in here and everything. If you click on here, how it will look on search engines. And I've got a video about Wix's SEO that you can check out. I will link it in the description below and on the screen right now. But now let's talk about adding a feed in here. So you can add, just let me create it for you to show you how it looks. Let's add a stripe for this example, classic one. Yeah, let's add an image to this stripe. So the image will be like mugs or something. Okay, mugs. Yeah, let's choose this. All right, I don't know why it looks like that. Let's change it. That looks bad. Mugs. Let's do that. All right. There we go. And let's add our mugs in here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your store, click on add store elements. You can add a gallery, you can add a slider, you can add related products, and this is done automatically by Wix. You can read how it's done by Wix. You can add a product widget, so if you want to add like a single product somewhere on your page, maybe you got a special offer for that product, you can do that. You can add the shopping cart, add to cart buttons. Okay, so for this example, let's add a slider. All right, so just to show you how a slider looks on the live site, this is how it looks. They can click in here and see more products. Okay, but we want this feed to be only mugs, so what we do is click on settings and we click on the mugs collection. All right, and we've got only one mug in that collection, but you will have plenty. And by the way, this is the ribbon that I've added in the product page, which is sale, and it will only show mugs in this page. Okay, so after you've designed everything, and there is another section in the members pages that you can change as well. Okay, so it's a whole other story. By the way, you got the thank you page as well. This is less customizable. Okay, so there is not much customization you can do here. And if you want to change the background, you can do so by clicking on the background, changing it to white maybe, or whatever you want. Okay, so after you've designed everything, you've added your products, everything is ready, and you want to publish your website, what you're gonna do is you're gonna upgrade your account. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna click on upgrade in here. All right, and you've got the website plans and you've got the e-commerce plans. So in order to accept payments online, you're gonna have to choose a business and e-commerce plan. Okay, and choose one of the three. I recommend you start with the business basic one, and then if you need maybe more storage space for your images or anything else in here, then upgrade to the next one. But depending on your size and your needs, if you're a small e-commerce business and you don't need a lot of storage space for your images, then 20 gigabytes for images is a lot, and you've got different bonuses in here. Not everything is required. Again, depending on your needs, go over here and see what are your options. And I've got a whole video about Wix pricing plans, so if you want to go and watch it, it will be in the description and on the screen right now. So click and select your plan. Okay, you can select either by yearly, 2 years, pay monthly. Obviously the price changes by that. Click select, and they've got a 14-day money back guarantee. Okay, so if you upgrade and you're not happy for some reason, then you'll get your money back. No worries about that. So I'm not gonna upgrade right now, but when you upgrade, Wix will give you a free domain for 1 year, and then it's gonna be around $20, I think, for every year. So yeah, and it will walk you through the steps. Okay, so create a new account, okay, a new premium account. And if you want to stay private, this is important. If you want to stay private, because when you choose domain name, then your information will be shown publicly if someone searches for it, but you can choose to be private. So this is another option you can add, and this is in all websites, not just Wix. So it's like $10, I think, a year. So you can choose that, and then Wix will walk you through the steps to connect your domain, okay, your custom domain. So instead of having like let me show you what the domain looks like right now and how the live site looks like right now that it's free. So let me show you view site. So it looks like that, okay? So online entrepreneur, this is my name, .wixsite.com/mysite1, okay? It's not very friendly for SEO, and it doesn't look very professional either. And you also get Wix banners on the top of your website when you are on the free plan, okay? Also, you can add a chat to your website, okay? So to chat with your customers, give them customer support, you can do that as well. I'm not gonna go really deep into it in this video. Yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. If you want to sign up to Wix, to a free Wix account, then sign up in the description below. I've got a link, and it's an affiliate link, so I can keep creating these free videos for you. So if you want to support me, then thank you very much. If you don't, then just go to wix.com and sign up for a free account. And if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out. If you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell so you don't forget, so you don't miss any new videos from me. And if you have any questions or comments, then leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.